The 2009 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, trip computer, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, tachometer, daytime running lights, power mirrors, rear wiper, privacy glass, rear spoiler. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.